Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue for Lincoln owners, especially those with an EcoBoost engine. The dreaded P06E9 fault code. This one stands for Engine Starter Performance, and while that sounds straightforward, it can be a bit tricky to diagnose. So, if your check engine light is on and you've pulled this code, you're in the right place. Let's break down what it means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. First off, what is the P06E9 code telling you? Essentially, your car's brain, the powertrain control module, or P, has detected a problem with the engine starter's performance. The PCM constantly monitors the starter circuit, and when you turn the key or push the start button, it expects to see certain voltage signals and a specific sequence of events. If something is off, if the starter takes too long to engage, if the voltage drops too much, or if the PCM doesn't get the right feedback, it will log the P06E9 code and illuminate your check engine light. You might notice your engine cranks slowly, or in some cases, it might not crank at all. So, what are the usual suspects behind this code? The most common culprit is a weak or dying battery. Modern vehicles, especially Lincolns, with all their electronics, are extremely sensitive to battery voltage. A battery that seems fine for starting might not have enough juice to keep all the modules happy during the cranking process. Before you dive into anything more complicated, the very first step is to get your battery properly tested. Don't just rely on a simple voltage check. You need a load test to see how it performs under pressure. Most auto parts stores will do this for you for free. If the battery checks out, the next place to look is the wiring and connections. Corrosion is your enemy here. Pop the hood and carefully inspect the battery terminals. Are they clean and tight? Look for that fuzzy greenish-white buildup. If you see any, disconnect the battery negative terminal first and clean the posts and terminals with a wire brush. After that, trace the main battery cables. Check the positive cable going to the starter and the negative cable going to the engine block or chassis. Make sure these connections are clean, secure, and free of any corrosion or damage. A loose or corroded ground connection is a very common cause of starting issues. Let's say your battery is strong and all your connections are pristine. What's next? The problem could be with the starter motor itself. Starters have an internal solenoid that engages the motor, and these can fail over time. The motor itself can also wear out, causing it to draw too much current and trigger the code. Diagnosing a faulty starter can be a bit more involved. You might need a multimeter to check for voltage of the starter solenoid signal wire when you try to start the car. If you're getting a good 12-volt signal but the starter isn't engaging properly, chances are the starter is the problem. Another sign is a clicking sound when you try to start the car, which often indicates a failed solenoid. There's one more potential cause, though it is less common: the powertrain control module itself. The PCM is what monitors the starter circuit and sets the code. In rare casos, the PCM's internal driver for the starter relay or its monitoring circuit can fail. This is usually the last thing you'd suspect, and you should rule out everything else, first battery wiring, and the starter before considering a PCM issue, as it's the most expensive and complex part to replace. So, to recap the diagnostic process for a P06E9 code on your Lincoln EcoBoost, start with the simplest and most common issue: get your battery load tested. If the battery is good, move on to inspecting and cleaning all the main power and ground connections in the starting circuit. Make sure everything is tight and corrosion-free. If you're still having issues, it's time to test the starter motor and its solenoid. And only after confirming all of those components are working correctly should you begin to suspect a problem with the PCM. Fixing this code is crucial. A starter performance issue can leave you stranded at the worst possible time. By following these steps, you can systematically track down the root cause and get your Lincoln starting reliably again. I hope this guide was helpful. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment below and let us know what the fix was for you. Your experience could help someone else out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car repair tips, and we'll see you in the next video.